Hey everybody, I'm Marty Boardman.
And I'm Manny Romero.
And we're back here at our historic Central Phoenix project.
Last week, we were here pouring concrete for our new 800 square foot addition.
Then our framing crew got right to work constructing all the exterior walls for the garage and master suite.
In just 3 days, the house really started to take its new shape.
And best of all, we're right on schedule and budget.
Our plumber, electrician, and HVAC tech have been busy installing the guts of the house.
That's right, the ductwork, wiring, and pipes are almost all in place.
So now we're ready for phase 3 of our construction process.
That's right, Manny, it's time to raise the roof on this place! Woo, woo.
Marty, we're not gonna raise the roof. All we're doing is installing shingles.
Oh, you're killing me. It's just kind of fun to say, right? And then after that, or while that's all going on, here inside, we're gonna be putting drywall up on the walls and closing this place up.
In the bedrooms, we decided to keep the plaster intact because that would save us money, and plus it was in really good condition. So all we're doing now here is patching up a little bit of work to get the electrical in here, and you know that should save us some money on 3 bedrooms. Laying shingles in 100-degree temperatures isn't easy, but our guys are tough.
Fast too. They finished roofing our addition in just 2 days.
Meanwhile, on the inside, the drywall crew did their part and got the interior wrapped up quickly too.
Now all the walls are taped and mudded. Yeah, really all we have left to do is to paint here on the inside and the outside of the house.
Then we install the tile and kitchen cabinets.
Yeah, so be sure to check back here again in a few weeks with another update. I'm Marty Boardman.
And I'm Manny Romero with Fix and Flip Hub. Thanks for watching.